Generate optimal routings based on cost and/or delivery time. Welcome to Logic Design Corporation, helping transform engineering and manufacturing since 1983. Introducing Global Edge Engineering Assistant, designed for sheet metal fabricators. Global Edge Engineering Assistant provides automated capabilities to generate optimal routings based on CAD part parameters and the capabilities of your shop floor machine tools. Optimal routing generation starts with the automated analysis of your sheet metal CAD models. Once Global Edge analyzes and generates CAD part parameters from your sheet metal CAD models, Global Edge includes a powerful configuration engine to generate optimal routing steps from these CAD part parameters. These optimal routing steps can be based on cost and/or delivery time. Global Edge helps ensure that your shop floor operates at optimal efficiency by providing your MES scheduling software with accurate and timely routing steps based on cost and/or delivery time. To schedule a demonstration and learn how the Global Edge Engineering Assistant can help your company increase engineering capacity and save thousands of hours, please visit www.ldcglobal.com.